What is content marketing and how does it work for physical therapists? Good content marketing is the art and science of helping people improve the quality of their lives, make better decisions, and fall in love with your business along the way. How do you do this? By creating free, helpful stuff. Customer: I need a physical therapist. I'm going to jump on Google and do some research. You: I need to make sure she finds me while she's researching. I'll give her some free, helpful stuff. What does that free, helpful stuff look like? Exercise and advice leaflets, newsletters, videos, animations, blog posts, infographics, emails. Why is content marketing important? 1. People love sharing free, helpful stuff, so it's a great way to grow your audience. 2. Free stuff generates demand. People come to you instead of you having to go to them. 3. Producing free, helpful stuff is a great way to demonstrate how much you know about things that matter to your prospective client. 4. Because people want free, helpful stuff, it's much cheaper to get in front of them compared with traditional marketing routes like paid advertising. 5. Sharing valuable content is a great way to attract people onto your email list and get high open and click rates. 6. Publishing free, helpful stuff on your website helps people find you more easily and keeps them on your site. Google loves good content. 7. Delivering free, helpful stuff regularly strengthens relationships, perfect when a patient hasn't quite reached their clinical tipping point yet. 8. It's something that we as physical therapists are very good at and also very comfortable doing. 9. Everything you do revolves around adding value, so it's completely unsalesy. 10. And finally, showing people you're there to help is a great way to earn people's trust, and in a healthcare setting, trust is arguably the most persuasive factor when deciding which physical therapist to choose. For more information about content marketing for physical therapists, visit Co-Kinetic.com.